Hey there, and welcome back to the EduLab channel. Have you ever wanted to compare your current sales or other key metrics with the same period last year in Power BI? It's a fundamental analysis, but getting the formula just right can be a bit tricky. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple and effective way to create a same period last year measure using a single powerful DAX function. The first thing you'll need to do is create a new measure. In your Power BI desktop, find your data table, right-click on it, and select New Measure. A formula bar will appear at the top. This is where we'll write our DAX formula. We'll name our new measure something clear like Same Period Last Year. Now for the formula itself. We'll start with the calculate function. Calculate is incredibly useful because it lets us modify the filter context of an expression. In this case, we want to calculate our sales, but with a different filter, specifically the same dates from the previous year. So the formula will look like this. After the comma, we'll use our key function, Same Period Last Year. This function is a time intelligence function that shifts the context back exactly 1 year. It only needs one argument, your date column. It's important to use a proper date column from a dedicated calendar table to ensure this function works correctly. So the full formula is same period last year =, calculate sales, same period last year, your date table, date. Make sure to replace sales with the measure you want to calculate and your date table, date, with the actual name of your date column. Once you've created the measure, it's time to see it in action. If you have a line chart or a bar chart, simply drag your new same period last year measure onto the visual. You'll see a second line or a new set of bars appear showing your data from exactly 1 year ago. Now, you can easily compare your current performance with the previous years. Hover over any point on the chart to see the sales for the current year and the sales for the same period last year. This makes it easy to spot trends and understand whether your business is growing, shrinking, or staying consistent compared to the past. And there you have it! A quick and effective way to use same period last year to create powerful comparative visualizations in Power BI. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to EduLab for more Power BI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing!